money where Igbo man, put for Mama Kevin head, he never return am.
Wow, abomination.
The Kevin where they call my son is Kevin your son.
Mama Kevin almost work. Not the same name.
If you want to call Mama Kevin, I will say Mama Kevin, you not Frank Omozwo. Omozwo, you should be ashamed of yourself. Becky don't born the other day. Go see Proud Mom. Now man put money for your head. The people where be say man, you are the don't fair do 1 or 2 before. But who were one more Frank Omozwo? Where be here? Where Baba where they smile, you know they born. Where you are lucky, antelope, where be say una prick, no they use that they born. We never hear say una born. At least men will still hear say woman born for now or woman carry that picky wrong. Now when they talk about Enogie for social media, now I know. If I come also, I not come here to come follow you banter words because I'm bigger, better than you in every areas of life. You want to talk, you say you put your father for payroll, your stupid father. Your father where you use pig take key. Now let the buy your papa now. Let them. Your papa want do juju. The next thing native doctor say me go buy pig come. At the end of the day, the father died. Only 1 year that you back up for your father, he died. The first picture will be coming for your father that time will do social media. Now for me 33. Una remember that beer 33. I'm done. That beer 33. Now remember that time. That old beer. Now Frank Omozwo papa did. Frank Omozwo, do you have a house? The only house where you still feel build or completed. Mama, I go collect house from you. Till today, you not fit collect that house back. The money where you still use at beer you are, still take collect. Before me, I so rest in peace. Where ask Frank Omozwo? Frank Omozwo, where is your own child? Frank Omozwo, where is your own child? Are you proud of the dirty the way you deal with? The reason why I know the girl time again is because you're not rich. Even the other girl with the friend now, where they leave Mama Kelly for go they date. I know her. I sabi picture. They sent that for me. But I decided not to make the go. If you just talk about Enogie, it go be like say you are rich. That's why they carry my money, they give native doctor. That's why my mama, native doctor got a friend, my mama, because of me, for protection. They name me. Frank Omozwo, I beg you, my people. You know, don't ever see say Frank Omozwo post us for social media. Say that yes. Frank Omozwo, your day when you come Mama Kevin. Since 1994, you either go out. Mama Kevin don't ever get 50 by 100. I dare you Frank Omozwo. Make Mama Kevin bring 50 by 100 come aside. 50 by 100.
You bring 4 lakh come out.
Even you don't ever post us. You dey deceive the lucky tell you when your life don't be. As soon as I rich, I still be na home. As soon as I do rich, not be yesterday, you be the first day. We support one girl with 1 million naira. As you confuse the rich, say, and not get the sharp their money, people are still donating. See now life. But you get one particular part when I come from. And Frank Omozwo, I dey dare you tonight. If you not bring that evidence, when my wife after they chat with man, when my wife after they talk to man. Not with you today.
Be you anybody?
Going on Wednesday. I give you nothing on Sunday. If you not feel bring evidence, me cut it disgrace my wife. Because I want to play one audio. Because me not be like you. I married my wife as a single lady. Hello? Now me make my wife be a mother. Today. It not be something where my wife put for body. But now for don't born 6 children. If not the 7th one. Now the thing where it be say he put for body, now even the save us is there. Oh, I mean, I believe Vanny. You, as you sleep with guests rich, we never hear what they say, one get cracked. Say you give her belly, you wrong. And I'm you. Now, man, to tell the yes, say, one get give you give one get belly wrong. Frank Omozwo, I want to play one video. That one want me, if not be that one for not reply you because you have said this thing times without numbers. And if I not reply you, you can't be asking a truth to the talk. And if by on Sunday, not I give you nothing Sunday. If by on Sunday, you not play evidence. You not play waiting my wife and man they talk.
Or the man self.
Or the man. Yeah, I'm a bug boy. You know the kind. You know when you are aware now. You know the way I think they do you before. Now let me defeat they beat you black and blue. If I beat you, you know they talk. See your life. What importance are you to the society? Nothing. Nothing. There is nothing useful you are doing in your platform apart from Ogun. You were naked to wait prick. You come to analyze and say, my wife. You feel say that thing are really my wife Pekus. You feel say me will leave that video there. You feel say if that thing are really my wife Pekus. You feel say me will leave that video there. Then you are stupid. You will gossip me on here. If you well. Okay, me no.
Hey, gossip me. Well, when you see the video now, be.
Gossip me now for see the video.
Their wife when
you feel.
He husband dey prison. He carry fan put for her. This is now women they use.
Only wait. The one where they put the vest people na Topolo Monkey. Topolo Monkey will be say, like, you never think about your life. When they know they see yourself for video like this, so Topolo Monkey, if I be you are not they do presenter work. Because any woman where they crush on you, Topolo, if he crush on spirit, Topolo Monkey, you and Grace husband will be like twins. Zombie. That's your zombie, Look, you tell us say that the most handsome boy for TikTok. Handsome waiting. Who that show handsome? Who that show handsomeness? Look, you tell look. See sexy baby. Sexy baby, you should be ashamed of yourself. Say, after you don't break up with the baby papa of yours, now look, you tell look, wait, they one room for after water for Sicily. Now you can't go fall in love with. Since you enter look, you tell look life. He like bang. Before I enter TikTok, I yesterday said the boy they see 1,000 views. Today now 256. I said they talk about me or my wife. Now if you go still raise some more. Now when they talk to me. Now when they talk to me. Francomoso the most painful part is that Francomoso go see they talk to me. Where is Mama Kevin? When you go do Atilogu dance drama, what that's what they do. You say Mama Kevin get belly since 2020. Your man say Kevin here. You were Mama Kevin toast with the Peking. Mama Kevin rat you. Francomoso. The reason why I know they talk to you is because you not get the weight when I get for TikTok. I wish you see they see like 1,000 views and above. I forgot that's the other baby. I forgot play some kind things. People will not know you for TikTok. I can't play some kind things for them. But therefore, no say you be the stupid person. You know your get level at all. Francomoso will not be saying a beast. I am better than you, richer than you. I am better than you, richer than you. Before presently, I am better than you and richer than you. Where may go? Do you have money? Are you mad? You thought to own one. You thought to own one. All the children in the saga today, I burn them under your nose. Nora is 6 years. Next year they go enter 7. My twins go see do 5 years for July. Next year they will be 6. The small one I don't do 2 now. I'll be 3. Next year it will be 4.
Under your nose.
Under your nose.
Why you still talking? What?
Just as you said yesterday. I first look on social media. You call 2021. Just 2021 till now. Person die for your platform. You throw away prick. Person they use period to swear for you. Woman open period like this. Use on this other to your egg. It pour out for your picture. You where I go make one more. Anyway, when they make me come when I share this video, go give him. If you not feel this, that your guy, yeah, more. If that guy not be the one where they talk since any tasking, he go come talking for social media. You don't know me. Forget saying me and my wife with the quarrel and all of that. I paid a bride price. When you say person, they pay person bride price. He pay a bride price, okay?
That I not support to. If not,
My wife they cost me. If my wife not cost me, go cost me before. Oh yeah, but to let me almost well. The woman where you dealt with for us today, not be you this virgin now. This he never even born for you. If Mama Kevin get character, just the way you they talk, Mama Kevin for not go 3 different husband house. You come make the number 4, I be number 5. Mama Kevin and the children not they play today because of you, because the children are not in support of say their mama can't go marry somebody like you. When you do marriage, what happen? Now only you want. Now they there and your stepchildren. Like they did. Oh yeah, meow. Oh yeah, meow. Era doiko. Iya do. Only you and the stepchildren. Where you not born, you should be ashamed of your. But not yet a monument your marriage.
Almost
you never show you want a born. Don't please be a there, you my brother. Where be let you win now, my brother. Your prince not the work. For more than how many years you keep telling me social media, ogun. Can't you use your platform to still help people? Can't you use your platform to touch lives? Apart from ogun. That's why I really like what one woman do you the other day. Not the sagani away. I don't forget on the woman they benjo. All of the saga can I don't know how you look yourself. Imagine you get where if I saga you, I don't know who your saga don't carry go 6 feet. Who here every year. On my K your work. Are you up to 40 years? No be the day when you put for us can make you add join your age. You can't add 15 years join your age. Almost one and the 6 was 38 years. Frank almost one and the thing, a padomo is 38 years. In marriage 40. Because the Mama can say they 51, almost will say they 46.
51 years. 51 years old.
Almost will say they 46.
51 years, God.
Yet, you see the say Mama can be senior me, but man not the senior woman. Woman not the senior man. As far as I don't pay bride price, which bride price? I can post video evidence where I have to pay my wife bride price. You are 38 years of age. Come and swear. But I'm not really there yet for it because now my wife matter when you talk because you don't repeat that word. And that guy go collect until he come aside and talk. Not be any time WhatsApp sing. He will come on social media to debunk it. You know, you're mwebogbe. Now, you listen to me. Listen to me, Omozo. Here Kevin now. Here Kevin where they commit confirm abomination. Oh, we boka. Remember Kevin see the reality today. Oh, we boka. Remember Kevin see the reality today. Don't you fear? Don't marry any more to marry Wune. Share the live stream. Hold on, listen.
Oh my God. Even because of my God, I for don't cancel some of the social media. Good one, you know. And if they would not give for us, but person out there will be saying, or say believe on what you say they talk 247.
Yeah.
He did body now. He did body na the guy na. He did body. This is better single mother now that they see better single mother.
It's not to say if you live in Enogie, so that Enogie friend is
single mother who get dignity by this one. In a better single mother as be so. Better single mother than I be.
brother.
That really mumu himself.
Single mother way better pass to something than billions.
And you ended up marrying the most quack single mother.
Single mother of 4.
The archaic single mother ever.
4 baby father. God forbid.
The woman where you deal with today, he toast you. Because he don't gog. You not listen to her. Now he begin to say picking video for you. When he picking they read, I'm not going to toast you or more. Not be happy the Mama Kevin go video a picking like this. Say for Franco Moswo. He goes, oh yeah. ABDAFG. He go the video the picking. Picking way for Wibo. He goes, I give a Moswo. Almost one was carried away like Which small pikin they read ABDAF figgy. Not be almost cut they like, okay. Who is this? Okay, from there I can't begin to talk. God. That's the reason why they do this video now. Now the thing we talk. Almost what? I dare you now. Umala met it to this place of Amen. Now till Sunday. Ogworiya gbegbe. Boy ni. No do time away. Because the one who caught today now, that one saying no again when he tell you that kind of thing. Our record the equipe case of evidence. But I'm not going to play that evidence till on Monday. Ya amwe bogboe, ya akpe evidence ni. Ire amovu, ya me lao. My wife can be hot tempered. If you don't vex, you go to insult your husband for social media. Yes, I agree. But I never see my man order for cheating. My me and other will get there. May God let us live long. Maybe we'll still break up tomorrow. You get a man go fit talk about his wife. Say that woman a shawo not before my manora. I never catch him for that kind of thing once. I never even say some before. I never said some before. So the way you tell a talk with evidence or proof, that's you get evidence. You say it not be your guy, guy, not be like because at the end of the day, you only Yahweh your more. I want to make fool of you again for the second time. Just the way they make fool of you before. If you not bring evidence of that rubbish way they talk, okay? Woman evidence today, I'm a bug boy. I give you 95 days. When I share this live stream, go give Franco Moswo. Franco Moswo, I am better than you. Everything on Moswo. I am better than you. My wife wears short thing. Like I go put AI.
Lap, sure.
I said a black lap. Me, you know me now. If that's not really my wife, because me not don't go delete her.
Let Bekus come here go talk. Bekus come for ground.
I don't go delete her. Tete. As I see the normal video for that TikTok, I say, why you know why you have here, yo? You say I talk, I not talk. Because that's an AI. Boy, yo, read prick, who were banned one, wait careful. You tell me, say you be man, you throw a prick.
And I lie out my gallery.
They tell me, say you be man, say you throw a prick. Wag bell. Papa, all la ye Kevin, be no ban or yagmose. Yari ye Kevin, no yagmo again. They use me and this city they live.
I just say you suspend to in your press close you enter.
Hey, gift the boy. Hey, you go me rely on the boy. Why the gift give me? Why the gift? This now. It's my wife. Oh, you go me gift me. Why you know that? Anyway.
Give me lion.
I'm making like. What be lion man? Me tell me where. I better go carry your dad for me till they wash yourself. Omazwo.
My guy.
Go born. Omazwo. I dare you. Now you go suffer around.
I go pay
you.
You
say that because of say I know they bad my BS. Right from time I always they cut my BS. Me know they past 31 years. Me be 31. For more than since 2018. If you don't say I date 29, you'll say I date at how old is not my daughter in Nigeria? How old is not my daughter? I wish I can even be 31. I would have been happy.
I swear, me too.
I swear to my heavenly Father that created me. I wish I can be 31. So that I will be young.
Before you reach 50.
Before I can reach 40.
Your children don't grow.
My children don't grow, finish. I wish me really did 31. Me I go.
So you know it's not 26 I own thing.
31. It's 31. They say pardon. You were caught 15 years when your age. We might talk where we are not talking me.
Yeah, Kevin.
That's why they teach not to sleep with my mama as if say you are the one way for to prick. You say that you by yourself. One. The one where you are not rich at all. If you talk her today, oh yeah, now me where Awega River. I'm not come for all those ones because I don't first swear for you before for Facebook that time. During the time we tell say that tetas will pay my papa. I swear put that time. If my mama don't ever sleep in the daughter, I don't really feel carry juju for that one. But that's why I don't want to answer you for all those ones. Make you come and say, not say not debunk that one. You know, say me come with bug when before or me. You know. Look, you tell up when they one room they tell say now my man not build us. He post Enogie. You they forbid to post. Who were Wahala?
They forbid.
You they forbid. You know they post. Where president were he? President no matter who you born no pa. President no matter me president where they go water side. Who were they bury Libya? We always they go water. If they go back to Libya again. Because your house too near Libya. Hey, park. Also one day water will flood you. Will flood your life away. Not be sassy baby way life. Since sassy baby started to date you, nobody they even talk to them again for our side here. For NROV. Every year party, every year club, every year fish bar. Every year, but nobody they invite her for any party again because you have sassy baby baby in your no ya told lele yakan. On a hion jowa ya no mo no go. Sassy baby ala. No be la with the laugh for NROV. No be make you not they go party again. Just see Tompolo way settle down ugly from birth. Tompolo monkey go just sit down.
Human body, animal face.
Even the human body self,
animal face.
If you say me Tompolo, you're naked for you. Jesus, and then you know say na cheap as a confirm one. If Tompolo monkey back you, and that time you know say Tompolo monkey teeth, he get the way be. Make Tompolo monkey, well let her back you now in any way. Because na tatanus in one given now. Yeah, you too ugly, bro. That's not they talk to you. Your ugliness, they smell. Your ugliness like fashion. Like your face alone, like you too ugly. If you use filter, if you use normal color, no one defend, bro. And I have to be sincere to you, bro. You are too ugly. And bro, you too ugly. Tompolo monkey, you too ugly. This will not be saga. I swear to God. You too ugly. I have to tell you the truth. You too ugly. Man, not the ugly like that. Man, not the ugly like that. You too ugly. If I be like you, I will never be a presenter. Never.
You know get the French, I'm not sure.
I swear, my God. If I be you, I will never be a presenter. But one and water for where you did, bro. You too bobo. Don't worry, the day when you are lucky, you tell you go quarry. Another you go no say you bobo. So Mazo, I dare you not to say the cover for your girl. Because I don't see you guys a big girl. You guys a big. I said I don't see picture. You must not talk the thing when your wife talk. Normal man and woman they discuss we be say they're not a friend. Me they talk to people get friend, people wear mouth. Normal gist. Whether that one can go blow life for you, or now you can go change the thing when that one tell you, yeah, I'm a bug boy yo.
I don't call the boy to they say who they call, you know they pick up.
I don't even know him.
They say they call, you know they pick up.
Me know
I don't call her to the
me oh yeah. Ima oh
just no. What say I marry?
Tompolo monkey go you talk to Perigodi.
The man today, like say.
I don't understand. You talk to Perigodi. Shame on you, Tompolo monkey, woman.
Man, they call me not before any artist. I'm married, not me side be enemy of man. They call me, but not be for nonsense.
Me, they know they swear for woman, and they'll say, "I back who." You may make it born of I feel swear for me. Say my mother know they cheat. But if you talk another thing, say they could the short person and they shout for people. That's why your call person, you're the causer, even boyoni. But you see cheating, it's even boyo. Because now woman I don't deal with for the past 7 years. I never one day say I can't jump something like Tell me you love me now, or I love you, or anything where relate to that one.
I be girls, I be love you by girls.
I swear.
Move fabric off first.
I swear to God.
I be love you by girls, man.
I swear, even if you say come up for this job tomorrow, God relocate. I go still var, even if it's now 5 years time, 4 years time, me and I still meet. I not go fear before I sleep with them. Because I know woman when I marry. There are different types of women that they see. They get on what they see, say, it not sabi insult your husband, but they cheat. They see that kind of women. They not sabi insult their husband, but they be bad cheater. Now lie your picking here. Now it go climb line your head. It go they dance for top of line your head. Antelope not go try her. My wife not cost me, will cost me. The life is I go to carry my children for school. They mad. Look antelope.
No, you should have go carry before.
Look antelope, may you born. Bien. Look antelope, born. I hear say they say Topolo Moki see get one baby mama for Spain. But that one carry pikin wrong. You can see if not truth, you carry pikin wrong way. Because Topolo Moki not be better person. And Topolo Moki not be person where you say, na my baby papa. I never see one girl come and say the friend Topolo Moki. I've been at Chinese, you take the con, bro. Too ugly. Oh, I call you very bro.
Person get belle see more. You see Topolo.
If person get belle see Topolo Moki.
Go pishy belle.
Oh, I need be
We all pishy belle. God forbid.
One picture, because one picture is like problem. Your body picture is like Topolo Moki. Is there any woman that is proud to give birth to like Topolo Moki? Hey, I swear to God, the that now. Maybe Topolo Moki no say they ugly. If they feel say if they died 253 view. In a president for his side. Thank you so much. Is there any woman where they watch me now where one premier bought where one ball like Topolo Moki? You say you want me your picking resemble Topolo Moki? Raise up your hand. But people go there will say, I want me a picking still resemble Enogie.
Yes, fine.
People there we go talk say hey me and you go for beauty pageant Topolo Moki. I go win award as the best handsome man. I go win award as the best hat. I get her to.
Use better person to describe. Ah, God.
No, they let the Topolo Moki. They know the reason why I know they come for them because you are too ugly, bro. You get people where go they talk to me. I'll call it answer the Topolo Moki. You have nothing.
Better actress. People when they are.
You have nothing. You are lucky. Antelope. Francois was still not set. Still not left. Still not left. Tell me what if Francois was better pass me now. If I did laugh now, he did laugh. Francois cannot beat me. People not bury the con. People not go feel watch Francois pass me. It not go happen. I've been allocated look. I'll be Topolo Moki. Since I dey follow now, since I dey even they call the answer now. Is there any saga one that for beat me? Francois oh, the second when I be there, I'll be allocated look. Oh, the second when I be there, he gets like one of them for beat me at ass. The more that they beat me, the more God they bless me, the more I go far. He gets out to Perry. Perry, where be woman? And we give a good one to Topolo Moki. You dey like Perry. Close down.
Topolo Moki say you they go to carry your children for school. In your picking they France for year. You don't know whether that picking they drink water or they alive. Epa, he say your children, that's why you take do AI, they snap the picture. Topolo Moki, picking can never do birthday. May post the picking say happy birthday because you don't get the picking picture. If they ask Topolo Moki say, hey wife, baby mama where they found the ask say now you born for Topolo, the woman go say God forbid. He go say God forbid. Now you think they come and analyze people. The woman they say it now
no, Benny Gotti. He don't be say there be mumu. If me carry my pikin for school, na bad thing.
Because he never carry your pikin for school before because he don't know whether the pikin they go school or not.
Is it a bad thing for you as a man to go and take your children in school?
Topolo cannot relate. He's a stupid person. He's a stupid person. He come the last time when he come France like 3 years ago. When he come go meet the woman for her, they come pursue her. Now outside he sleep when he come France. So the woman don't let her enter his house. So The woman don't let
If na
her
you
enter his
Benny,
house.
if who know whether not be charm you use for them because no girl on a norm, Topolo Moki is supposed to be a virgin. Oh, see, on a norm, Benny, they're not supposed to be. Topolo Moki is supposed to be gay. The girl will go to sleep with man, then you for be. Topolo Moki don't get any connection with woman.
I'm
Let's
telling
be
you,
secure to ourselves.
very ugly
Now let
person.
woman will be say.
See fridge where
You
you
know,
put
see,
if
okay
you
for
see
him.
you see Apollo fridge, they put towel for under our fridge because fridge they leak. Fridge they leak water.
No, Topolo Moki. Ask my wife. I know they eat frozen food though.
If frozen, if you see
Nana put
many
the
fruits
learner.
where you put for fridge, where you fruits put for inside
And they
fridge.
eat fresh food,
If
fresh.
you see
No wonder
fridge,
you know they ever
if
be
you not see
fresh.
Apollo
Even as
fridge,
you
you
want
not
to
go hungry again. Hungry not go worry on again. You go lose appetite. If you not see
Topolo Moki
Apollo
you go
fridge.
put what bale a stew, what
Hey,
bale with your fridge. Now fresh food me they eat to bro.
it's too many, too many.
It's too many, like
Only
3
you
months
guys
stew
are
don't get
dirty.
there.
Only to Apollo dirty. Only to Apollo ugly. Only to Apollo dirty. Only to Apollo ugly. What the
No,
man? When I want
let's
to
go
choose
back.
you?
Topolo Moki should have been a virgin
Don't
because
forget
on a
saga.
norm,
We dey talk reality for year.
no, we are not doing saga here,
What be
bro.
saga? We dey talk reality. Don't forget saga. Can't be
Topolo
saga.
Moki not get any connection with woman because our woman want to kiss her to start with. Then if they make love to the woman, he can't turn, can't look and say that cheap as they make love. Like how the woman want to get Topolo Moki, the woman deny you well, bro.
The girl pursue her put for outside for France, so they gonna cause case they do a shower. They cause for man
No,
that day.
if I dey lie, more of the okay, may I say as my fans. Can any girl here date Topolo Moki with your real eyes?
Never.
Like no,
Never.
this one not be the way people they do and the place that they sagara. Real eye, you your date Moki. Like
Never.
Topolo Moki go your toast. Topolo Moki go your toast you. You go say you want date her.
Never.
How?
Never. Comment je say never. Never.
How? Oh God! You just dey look Topolo Moki like
I
angel.
remember when get belle when he take carry belle conference. He carry that belle go Ashawo Road until police catch am for Ashawo Road. He carry them.
He carry Topolo Moki pikin go
8 months
Chow.
pregnancy. Like the woman dey wey police catch am for road. Say, but you go so born why you dey call Ashawo Road. He said she no get help. He said she no get help. Now many months that woman 8 months pregnancy. Now you dey talk say this one I use less mother. That one I use less
Topolo
mother.
Moki he not get rest of men then Perry. Before he enter work, he must do video.
He must prove I'm saying get
If he get break,
validation.
he go still message me. If he close, he go still message me. I can't imagine say, which kind human baby this one? For this one bad now, you dey feel say they saga me.
He saying get documents, he get documents. If I wanna ask Apollo why no fit go Nigeria, go see him, mama. Because Apollo may talk why he no fit go Nigeria now. Because they banned her for Nigeria now. They nearly buy her for Nigeria. Now it's wrong. Now it's wrong. If I person for Nigeria now.
I don't see comments where they look for. He said he is in pain because of his look. This is the reason why I don't reply him. because the truth of the matter is that if I be Topolo, I will never be happy with anybody.
Because of his look.
If me na Topolo Moki, you know, guys, I want to smile for anybody for this life. Because you go fair, me go your ugly like that.
Epa, Topolo don't get documents since that many years for Italy. Muna ask Topolo why he be say no fit go Nigeria. Why he no fit go Nigeria for a life? What's it they pursue Topolo for Nigeria? Maybe you get documents and you get no get. Maybe the old document where you get to go Nigeria, but we see now.
Okay, the money has been refunded from left side. Wow, I told you that I am the ambassador, and as far as you use my promo code Enogie 7.
And I really, are you call the person yesterday?
Yes, now I tell her me rectify him. So may I bring the girl up so that she go come talk her.
Surgery not go fit save Topolo. Surgery can go fit spend. Even if Topolo do surgery, go see one war.
Hey, yeah.
Come
on, madam. Hey. They don't refund your money?
Yes, they refunded them yesterday about between 4 to 5. And they say refund them.
Because as you just send me the message,
yes, sir.
I just send a give and say one of my fans use my promo code to do money for the app. And 3,000 pounds.
Yes, sir.
What 5 million? What will be 5 million?
5.5, yes.
No, yes, for my promo code.
No, they use Enogie promo case na get problem.
Get manual promo code. So thank God that they refunded it. Lenfa is one of the best app to transfer money back home.
Yes.
You get problem and you use my promo code Enogie7, automatically me myself. If you send that for me, just the way this our sister send that for me,
Yes.
I go send that to because I get their direct contact. So
Thank you so much, sir.
okay.
Thank you, Epa. God bless you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. No problem.
Epa,
Yeah.
Topolo
Yeah.
say, he say, Perry Godin, come and eat my remains. See me, see the way I cook, see the kind of life I live, Epa. I know they cook food, they put for fridge. I want to turn my camera beg. I know they cook food, they have wanted to turn my
Ask
camera.
my wife. Now fresh food that they eat. Now my wife thought they make food they eat sometimes and still
Epa, you
eat
see,
them.
look at what I'm
But
making. Epa, can you see what I'm
okay,
making?
you see
Why
how
else done them? I know if they cook, they put for fridge, Epa. Do you understand? I know if they cook, because I won't put her for fridge, might for see it tomorrow, no. Because money to take cook tomorrow still there, pa. If tomorrow still rich, I go still cook, I will still eat. Now I prepare golden. Do you
exactly.
understand? If I can't eat
Exactly.
remains, even my own food where they cook every day, they shop. You know, fish shop one. Why it's on my dodo?
So
My enjoy
Polo
my
Monkey,
life.
they see as he clean, neat.
Look at,
They see kitchen. So Polo
look
Monkey
at,
see kitchen.
look at,
They
look
see
at it.
kitchen.
Look at it, Epa.
You
Look
go
at
open your
it.
mortuary fridge.
You
Your
can't.
mortuary fridge where soup day. God forbid.
Voila. Let me show you that one, Epa, because that boy is a very
Fiji made
stupid
they
boy.
cook like that, so now Fiji made they cook like Topolo. You cook load that for the
Oh, cook food,
just
put
have
for
the
inside
that for the
fridge.
load down. Now Fiji made they cook like that.
Now let God know that
Because
one
now
go
I'm
they come
married,
outside.
If you
so
know,
they count money they give
if
by
you
them and
not
say
cook,
take zero, use them first.
if you not cook full
That's
fridge, you
that
not see
Fiji
food
made cook.
chop. You not see food chop the next day. Now why you need to pack a full
Now
fridge?
Fiji made they cook
You
like
see that
that.
kind of peri kitchen? That is the kind of kitchen that I love. Just like this now. I want to let my kitchen they stain.
Not fit dirty, God
Because
forbid.
if kitchen clean, if I don't mean you to go belly for you. Perry
Dirty
don't date
boy.
you. If not because that one the saga Perry will never date you.
Me.
Never.
Epa, when me
Leave
with
it
her,
back.
Epa,
I feel
when we with
swear.
her, they
I
play,
feel
eh?
poor for anything
When
I
we with
do.
her,
Yeah.
they play, it is sweet am. You go they happy, you go they happy. If I enter like they go they happy, you go they use me they do example for those girls when they do road work. When we they play. You know what to make a verse for me, Epa? That day when I call your life,
No.
they can't join you the saga Goya. Now what if make a verse? Why me go call your live video?
Okay.
Yes.
Now they verse for Bobby for that. Now they verse for Bobby for
Yes.
say
It's why me go call
Bobby
your live
not join the
video.
saga me.
Uh-huh.
Now Bobby contact they say why you go join on the saga Enogie? Even Godfather now don't learn. That one now say no the fight will not be on again.
Uh-huh.
That one say fight will not be yo. You know the fight again.
They don't gather.
See Mama Kaka now and Ekperon, that one will still get belly. On your phone saga. Yeah, you know your position na gwegwa. Agmo you egbe queenie. Agmo we wa. Well, kuwe kelele Mama Kaka. That one go for now. Now you call me na settle. Only if you know now when they call that one Mrs. Dorothy. That one I go use back now till they move ahead because you know say you go see
Only you don't come France that day, he hide for back of chair. They say you know fit do gaga.
all in the name of Europe Saga and they see your good work. That's one of the best blogger ever.
Ah, Europe Saga there for everybody. Oh, there for everybody.
God bless you, Europe
Yes,
Saga.
Europe Saga
I
there
don't
for
know the person
everybody. We love
where
you.
that cattle, but God bless you. You are a good blogger.
As Polo Monkey shout my name reach, nobody repost on Polo Monkey.
Who are the poster?
They don't post the video. I
Who are
thought
the post for Polo Monkey?
no bloggers don't agree repost on Polo video. Now only my haters post you. No
No, can't tell
blogger.
up. But they tell say we dey do saga for this year. You go fit do saga.
And they tell you,
Tell
Saga
Fracomoso.
when they do, they lie for each other heads. They lie for each other
Tell
heads.
Fracomoso.
They lie for each
Make
other
tell you how we
heads.
dey do at that time for Facebook. He go tell you Fracomoso go tell you.
Bobby, you
The
said there.
Fracomoso.
Bobby, you said they say
You
no go
never say
saga
saga
you.
the Fracomoso. Polo Monkey. No be na for Fracomoso. Go down today we be say Fracomoso you not get weight again for TikTok. No be na fall am.
Anybody will come and know the platform, they will go saga them. Anybody will gift Enogie, they will go saga them. Because Enogie better person. Enogie don't saga on a gift as before. No. Enogie don't saga person they call on a
What concern me?
No, but anybody will call you and I will call and
Very
go.
good. Very good. What you concern me concern their gifter.
Epa, you they even they watch them. No, when they come, they gossip you for give you for WhatsApp.
Na
You they
God will-
watch there. You
Then
they
you
watch
see
there.
hypocrite. Here prick video where I go post on my WhatsApp channel. Not be using
Now
that
me
for
send
me.
her for you. Now me send her for you. You say
I know whether you prick there. That here prick. Ogo ya gbi you eh.
oh, boy, I'll be
Here prick. Now your mama like your papa.
Yes.
Here prick. Now your mama like your papa. I
Bam.
never see police reports till now.
Bam. Till
Till
today.
now.
After how many
You know enter
months?
police station that day. I still say brother don't dey prison. I never still see letter till now.
Go your
Here,
advice and may go report to give police. I told
see
you.
my fare. You want like you say they show you my fare. Jama show you my fare.
Police jam and we don't go carry person jam and show one person.
Now
What
God
you
go punish
be?
that your dirty mama. That your stupid mama will be say you don't know yourself by your father. Now God will punish
He go
that
now kuna
see
where
your
you
left
do
now.
night by papa abomination for a dollar night
You are
by
now
papa.
older than your age. Yeah, prick. See when you call resemble one in the day like that.
He neck don't
When I come tell
long.
you, you say, okay, you can't go do makeup.
He neck don't long. He leg don't long.
Wow, bell. They don't call you to do PA again for other people platform.
Nobody gree take.
Okay.
Na Topolo wey don
So,
first
mama,
sang
yeah,
you. Now
yeah,
you
pick
now
that
you
way,
dey join
yeah,
the live video. What do you want prove? Because all those on the wait. Anybody wey be no get them. All those on the welcome. You don't go wrong. Go meet them.
Eh,
Idiot. Also.
see Queen now. See Queen and Mama Kakad now. They don't quarrel. You want to talk Mama Kakad. You say me they play mature. Mature young boy. Your husband will be zombie. Your husband will be zombie for your pikin birthday. Your husband be like zombie. You know how can hear it? You know all those flower girls that they do that time when they do small. Your husband be like
You mean well.
your husband be like zombie. May I do that come outside for gossiping? But then I do not gossiping. Why am I like that? I say, don't mind.
If I might tell you something, if I might tell you something,
behave mature.
if I might tell you something, if they want to talk to us, they will go cook story, can't they talk to us? If we want to talk to them, we then point out waiting they their body. Now like they want run mad. When I show Tom Polo the fridge when they in kitchen and my own, he run crazy, he go gaga. He go gaga, say you be man, I be woman, I be. See what me as a woman they
Same
do.
how they cook, they tell us to feed, they greedy to their wife, or they calculate money, they know how their wife they spend, they're greedy.
He said,
Very greedy.
he said my mama carry me come Europe at early age. Say my mother, my family don't fail me. Your family don't fail you. Now you they beg money for Italy. When Topolo start to they do short for Italy for year. Which year?
Now me bother now. Now me stop when they do show up again.
They don't go the pizza for short.
As the young year said they want go video now he cost stop.
Now stop. Yes.
One mumu work like that.
Your family not fail you. You come Italy, come beg money. When my family fail now, I be not for France now. What do you be for Italy? You're like, who go where you go they do where you do video for them every day. No, better for your mother and your father. Your mother and your father. Epa, might gist you one before you show us. Might gist you one. You know say as Topolo don't know your papa. You know say you grow for those states. Na that time I born now. Your mama carry that belly go those states. You don't know your papa as he big as he is. That fool idiot. I dare Topolo to post in papa and mama picture together. Now single more than I bought Topolo. Single more than I bought Topolo. Papa was a single mother. And they tell you don't know your papa. If you say you know your papa, you post him and papa and mama together as picture. You don't get them together. Now you gonna install single mother when I single mother I mother you. Bag with Topolo. Never see anything. Now me are you for this app. If I leave it down, even 10 years to come, 20 years to come, if I leave that, me I don't back see Epa. I say Topolo if you shop for him, may he put in leg for France again. May your post say de France. I don't ban Topolo for France.
Perry, you not go ever try ya.
I don't ban you.
Everybody go, you not go.
You not go ever try ya.
You not go now. I dare you to go France. Now
That
best
girl
friend do birthday. Voltage Queen na best friend though. Voltage Queen na best friend. Even Miss Golden come. Miss Golden come that party.
Olevi no
come.
He don't come the birthday. Of course he come. Topolo no come. Me don't ban Topolo for this house.
Dare you.
Me they
say you
dare
know
you.
what they do. Or when you did the midst of 20 boys, Perry.
If you did in the midst of 50 boys for this France, tell me say you did France. My man's you. No, let me want man you for this country.
May you see. I don't know beat at that time. I bet remind me who beat at that time.
Why when they talk Grace? Now he beat her, collect dread for
you
years.
You woman don't beat.
Now he beat her.
Don't mention my name again.
He beat her, dread. The guy on the show said, he said, Topolo dread for my hand. See, he dread, and he dread be this. He beat her waiting not good. Idiot. What bell? God go punish you.
I thank God for my life.
I go depress you, Perigodi.
I am one
go
of the most
depress you.
handsome man ever.
Only the man be okay. Oh, you get more area.
The man okay.
No, I say big okay. Use a dot truck well now.
Oh. The suit when me they see before say person dey wear. Now you wear sleeve. You understand? You can't wear suit on top. Like this kind of thing now, suppose use black sleeve to wear around. They will wear black shirt on top.
It's not white.
It's not white. They just sweet. But based on say, don't water don't pour for this man face fire. They don't cheat on her. They don't cheat on her, bro.
I wish you not know. Now I know.
They don't cheat on her. Tire. Like you see the way my wife they play evidence of how your wife they cheat. Men from
They don't fear anyone to play for Mama Nora head. He can sweet.
So they talk. Men from Commons will not play one. Come and disgrace Enogie that say, Enogie say he love your wife. He believe your wife. Oh yeah, Enogie listen to audio. Is this one a report? Oh. Who say she was expecting big lion for her birthday?
They imitate us now.
Which fans you get will go give you lion?
I dey tell you.
When you start they do hosts for live video,
you want give big lion. No even fast one, a big one.
When you start they do celebrate birthday? I bet when I follow my wife for 2,000 people, you're the worst.
When they give to
when I follow my wife,
gallery, when I light up my gallery.
I said make I just do it for you.
I light up my gallery.
Because I'll soon enter life not for my own.
Light up my gallery.
Money gone.
If I don't more, you know so more.
One man, Perigodi. See. Oh, that's way. You say I still get wife? Yes, I have wife. Come on, play evidence now. You wait that thing. Go play evidence. How my wife to cheat on me.
Never. No, see your own evidence. Your own don't catch. No evidence.
Mama be your wife before.
Jesus. Don't let this man bat you. If you let this man bat you, Grace, they get voucher for teeth. Now this man at Apollo must be supposed to be the same.
Grace no bone wine best side. Now 4 in best side the bone. 4 in best side 9 Grace bone.
No. You get when they talk. You say 4 in bestilima.
Bestilima. 4 in bestilima.
4 in bellissima. 4 in bellissima. Hey, yeah. Nare, Queenie. Over. If you believe that your pikin not go ever become better person for life, no, they categorize my wife. They join you.
I'm telling you.
No try her.
Yeah, great. So
you say Olevi know. I just na back you tell that party.
Na back you tell come.
So Olevi know. That's why you want your be for life. Olevi know. So when you know born again now, you're gonna claim say my wife age me so you be 37.
Imagine.
Where I know they go 44.
47.
She can never be 37. She can never be 37.
She just spent 45 years. She just spent 45 years for Europe. He did 20 when he entered Europe. They together 45 to 47.
47 years old now. Let me know the 47.
Why you gonna call me a padomo? I never be 47. I be 44.
Which one be padomo?
25 years in Europe.
Why you gonna call me about? Why you tell me about that?
You know, better for
me. 25 years in Europe.
Why you gonna call for commands with Padomo? You see your house now?
Now, sister, 50 go knock for a door, yours now.
You see your house now? Why you gonna call us Domo?
60 go knock for a door, yours now. 50.
Make they deceive what they deceive. Not be us which they deceive. We know our age.
Go and buy your own. They use that to do here.
If it easy, drama. If it easy,
you can't use your picky picture to do AI.
You want
to talk the other day.
If it easy, go
on. You say you go supposed to young. You go supposed to young. For where? No, you make you go buy a yellow shirt for your mama. You best for your mama before.
I don't see the video.
Say go take sleep post you. Where talk?
If not be because of you, if I don't rent us for Italy, now Sharon has to be done
market, I don't bring guests come.
My wife you do maintenance for that house according to Perry since. Not be now they build that house.
Today me know that house. Not be today, not be today I know that house. Not be today I know that house.